Today we will solve this expression. Most of the people solve this expression by wrong way. This number sentence has all four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions are given. This expression can be simplified in many ways. First way, 12 plus 16 equal to 28. Divide 4 multiply 3 minus 2. 28 divide 4 equal to 7 multiply 3 minus 2, and 7 multiply 3 equal to 21 minus 2 is equal to 19. Now solve by second way. 12 plus 16 divide 4 equal to 4 multiply 3 minus 2. 12 plus 4 equal to 16 multiply 3 minus 2. 16 multiply 3 equal to 48 minus 2. 48 minus 2 equal to 46. Now solve this expression by third way. 12 plus 16 divide 4 multiply 3 equal to 12 minus 2. 12 plus 16 equal to 28. Divide 12 minus 2. 28 divide 12 minus 2 equal to 10. So 28 divide 10 equal to 2.8. All the three answers are different. None of them is correct. If an expression has more than one operation, then it is simplified by doing the operations in a certain order. So use PEMDAS rule. Phi for parenthesis, E for exponent, M and D multiply and divide from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. If multiply and divide sign are given, the left side operation must be first, because equal priority for these two operations, multiplication and division, from left to right. Same addition and subtraction operation perform from left to right, equal priority for these two operations. So solve this expression by this order. Plus, divide, multiply, minus sign are given. Multiply and divide. So divide operation perform first, because this is given the left side of the multiply sign. So 16 divide 4 equal to 4. Write the other number 12 plus 4 multiply 3 minus 2. Now 4 multiply 3 first. So 12 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 2 by PEMDAS rule. Plus and minus sign are given, so addition operation perform first. 12 plus 12 equal to 24 minus 2. So 24 minus 2 equal to 22. So this is the correct order of operation for these questions. If you like this video, share with friends, follow and subscribe HTN Education. Thank you.